Today we're going to be unboxing a Saphir Beaut De Cure mini travel box, and it comes in plastic in the box here. So the box looks like a 3x4 by 2, I guess. Let's see what we have. Oh, look at that. Comes with the Saphir cream Beaut De Cure. This one is black. Okay, here we are. It came with the black one. I am pretty sure you might be able to request for a brown or a beige color, or maybe even neutral, I think. Comes with the mini brush. That's neat. Also comes with the welt brush with the I guess laser engraved Saphir logo in there, and of course 5x5 rag, plain white, simple white. The brush bristle is I would say about soft medium. Same thing for the welt brush. Alright, so there you have it.